Unraveling the phrase, production line. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into understanding the phrase, production line. This term is commonly used in both everyday language and professional contexts, so it's a great addition to your English vocabulary. Let's get started. Production line refers to a set of sequential operations established in a factory where components are assembled to make a finished product. Think of it as a conveyor belt where each step in the line contributes something to the final product. This method is used in various industries, from automotive to electronics. The concept of a production line has historical significance. It was popularized by Henry Ford in the early 20th century, revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. This approach drastically reduced the time taken to make products, making them more affordable and accessible. Let's put this into perspective with some examples. In a car manufacturing plant, a car moves along the production line, receiving parts like the engine, doors, and wheels at different stages. In a bakery, a production line might involve dough preparation, baking, icing, and packaging. Understanding these examples helps you visualize how a production line functions in different settings. The phrase, production line, can be used metaphorically too. For example, our office is like a production line, with each person playing a part in completing the project. This shows the versatility of the phrase in English. That's all about production line. We hope this video has been insightful and adds value to your English learning journey. Remember, understanding phrases like this not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand cultural and historical contexts. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.